INTECH is an integrator in the automotive and aerospace sectors. The company's focus is on high added value domains such as robotics and automation. The INTECH group currently has 110 employees. INTECH's medium-term strategy involves diversifying our products. Over the past 2 years, we have invested €5.5 million in modern manufacturing technologies and PLM and ERP software platforms. Our specialists work side by side with Siemens and digital twin experts, which greatly helped in implementing smart solutions. Our long-term strategy is to manufacture completely robotized production lines in our own factories so that we reduce commissioning time on the customer's site. For this purpose, we're in an ongoing investment in greenfield facility close to the Dacia Renault production plant and the first building that will cover 3,000 square meters, which will be functional by the end of 2021. In order to answer the needs of the next-generation factory, INTECH has made a strategic choice to digitalize all manufacturing processes. Using the digital twin of the process and product, we can create new digital competencies, including a better view over the processes within the company, easier adaptability to change, and better optimization of the methodology and the work environment. You have to be multidisciplinary when going on Industry 4.0. On the one side, master the latest technologies, and on the other side, to know and understand the technological processes completely. The best we can do in this case is to train our own employees. Since 2016, we formed a team here in INTECH, which benefits from over 15 years of experience in our company's field of activities. INTECH invested in the latest in CNC machines and technology in order to manufacture complex parts, and for programming those machines, we decided to implement the integrated Siemens NX CAM solution. Thereby, the company accomplishes the task of manufacturing complex parts in a short time frame.
Am reușit să reducem costurile de fabricație datorită faptului că toate procesele.
We succeeded in cutting down on manufacturing costs because all processes are digitally simulated, optimized, and validated. Also, in order to efficiently manage technical data and projects, we have implemented Siemens' PDM solution Teamcenter and made the integration with SAP. Our customers choose INTECH due to the fact that we can cover all the steps of integration from design to commissioning, fast, flexible, and cost-effective. INTECH decided to use advanced virtual commissioning Siemens Process Simulate and TIA Portal as an answer to their customers' needs. This software platform allows the INTECH experts to optimize the control logic, robots, and PLC programs and the HMI interfaces all in the virtual environment. By simulating and validating the automation equipment in a virtual environment, we can guarantee that they work as designed, therefore significantly reducing system installation costs and cutting delivery time.